I don't want video.
Oh, yeah, no covenant of my view. And no friend of my view, friend of mine. I can't buy you here. No friend by I know, come to battle. But they buy you in Jew. Easy, it's going to be up. No, so like I could maybe the morning time. I said, what you want, whether you be or easy. No money,
the guy's finished already. The guy's finished already, but you know, I've heard a lot of good things about him. You know, first of all, I'd like to apologize. I take back what I said because as you all know, I was supposed to fight him in Qatar for the WBO, but then our fight didn't happen, and I said that it was a disgrace, and I questioned his manhood, so I take that back. But you know, obviously, I respect him as a person. You know, to step up to the plate and you know to want to fight. So December 26th, we'll be in Kumasi, putting a good show for everyone, and also for His Majesty. And now tune for Safety to the second, and you know it'll be a great fight, and I can't wait.
No, it can respect for she no need care the first time every draw. Yeah, first of all you actually no you actually Tamnibo Oba fight there. In check what you jibo kedi. When I near she right at every draw.
When I get so
yeah.